November 3rd through 7th. So it's going to be 5 days, 4 nights. We're inviting 10 women to join Stephanie and I, 2 hosts. And we found this amazing house in Central Florida that I'm very excited about. It has a hot tub. It has a pool. It has a movie theater built in. It's going to be so freaking amazing.
Six Flags.
Yes.
Oh, also don't forget the personal chef part, because that's my favorite part.
Yes. I have a personal chef that's going to cook all sorts of healthy, yummy, amazing things for us in this amazing house in Central Florida. It's going to be all sorts of awesome.
Yeah, so people get to come and then they don't have to worry about anything. They are
meal a day, baby.
They have a place to sleep that's awesome. They have common areas to hang with people, or other places if they want to be, maybe go for a walk and be in solitude and just journal. And then their food is taken care of, and it's really comforting, healthy food to nourish their body as they're nourishing their mental and emotional well-being as well. So and it really makes a difference when you can do that. When you can go into a space and not have to worry about anything and just focus within.
Yes. Work. So if you're ready to make an investment, if you're ready to get to the other side of this transition, if you feel connected to Stephanie and I and want to come spend 5 days with us and the women that we attract, you should head over there. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. We will see you guys in November.
Yay!